My loves, how are you? Eid Mubarak to anyone that celebrated Eid. I think the last time I saw you guys, I was like doing my Eid glow up, planning to vlog Eid day, but then it came to the day and I was like, you know what, I just want to relax. I just enjoyed some family time as you do. So today the plan is we are going to the Eid festival. It's like in Westfield. They have this every year, and we're going to the Westfield White City because I prefer that Westfield a lot more than, you know, the other Westfield. I have some food. We're going with family, and I want to see some. There's some like clothing brands I've been meaning to like look at, but they don't have stuff in person, so it'd be good to do that as well. I'm purely excited for the food, I'm not gonna lie. I just love foods. Me and foods together for life. It's like, does it look blended? What's happening? We'll see you at the festival. We're at Westfield now and I'm excited, guys, for the festival. Everyone's just gone to the bathroom. It's on the 0th floor, but by the time I post this video, it's gonna be gone. So too late for you guys. Got loads of food here. Tacos. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to tacos, please. Oh wait, we went to that place.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the same place we went to like a couple of months ago. There's a show here. Actually not as busy as I thought because we came here a couple years ago and it was so busy, guys, but it's calm in the Westfield one, so we're just saving this table right here because I want a whole table to ourselves. There's a couple of us, so we're gonna get the food and then come. We got, what is this?
Basil chicken.
Sweet treats. I think I'm gonna get tacos. They got a ground burger. They got Lebanese cuisine. Rolled fish, sugar cane. We got this drink last time when we came a couple years ago. This one looks really good. I think this is where my sister-in-law got her stuff. Burrito, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I got beef tacos and I'm gonna start to eat it because I'm starving. This place before, we went to the restaurant and I liked it, so hopefully this is good. I think the tacos are smaller than like the one in the store, because I feel like the one in store was bigger.
Looks so good.
Look at the wings. Look at that, guys. Self masala chai. Well, this one's the masala chai. She said that it's stronger than the carrot one. Oh, it's gonna be so hot. Oh, it's so windy. To like the shopping area because I wanted to see some abayas and whatnot, but it's indoors. Taking them home because we get these plant pots for these little plants we got. There's like 3 of them, so we're looking for that right now. It's for decor, babes. I'm going to do the montage just like the girl used to. Here at like where the stores are and the clothes, you can see some of them. We're just looking at some clothes.
How much is it? Oh look, it's magnetic. It's magnetic.
This artist, their work was amazing. She paints a lot of famous mosques. We looked at some bahur. These are like incense cones. They're amazing after you cook. And my favorite is this personalized prayer mat that has your name on it. Oh, so cute.
Oh, Blank Street now. I've seen this drink trending. It's like a blueberry matcha drink and I've been wanting to get it. When it was trending, it was like Ramadan, so I couldn't get it, so I'm excited. We got the goods. Look at that. It's a 10 out of 10. It's definitely worth the hype. that everyone's been talking about. Go get the, I think it's called the blueberry matcha. So good. Leaving now. We're in the parking lot. It was good. It started to get really busy later on. Food stalls, there were so many queues. I went to like this Indian food place and looked really good. And it took ages to get the food, but that's because it's really busy. I'm gonna eat that at home because I feel like the burrito didn't fill me up. I had like so much coffee. I had coffee in the morning, tea in the morning and coffee, and then I went to Blank Street. I'm very much caffeinated, but we are gonna go home, and I have like a couple events this week, so I'm gonna vlog that, and I'll probably see you then. Bye. Wow, that's weird. As that food that we got for takeaway, it was so good. That was probably the best food I've eaten in a while. Morning. It is so early for me right now, and I'm getting ready to go to an event with, it's like gonna be a dinner, so I think it's gonna be really good. How are you all? I hope you're having a good day. Feeling a bit nervous because of this event, because I don't know if I will actually see anyone that I know. And I know like on camera and sometimes in person I can be quite bubbly, but especially when I don't know a group I can be like the total opposite. But it's fine. That's the perks of this job. Like, it puts you in challenging, uncomfortable positions that you wouldn't like necessarily put yourself in. But yeah, alhamdulillah for everything. I'm very grateful either way. I'm gonna quickly get ready and then I'll probably see you at the event, because girl, I just slipped in just a tiny bit, you know. So fancy, girl. I'm gonna munch up. I'm at the event, it's super loud. I'll probably put like B-roll clips, but it looks so good. Let me show you the view because it's
pausing for. And you'll see it on your tables. We've just given you the sculpted serve. The purpose of this, for anyone looking at it with terrified eyes, you don't have to take your makeup off. It's actually so you can test on your hand, or if you want to get cleansing, go for it. We are a beauty brand, which I'm sure is very obvious. We launched our first skin product, which is Hydra Glow Hydrating Serum, back about 18 months ago. And we have had the most exceptional response to skincare as a whole. Firstly, it was requested by our community. We were very affiliated with South Korea where we produce all our complexion products. We've always had a tie with ingredients level, so it naturally came as a request, but it's been the most amazing reaction. So Duo Cleanse came at this stage because we just knew, although it was an idea that sat on my notes about 2 years ago on my phone at the 3 AM thoughts that go off in your head, that it was too soon to bring a cleanser like this or a concept like this to our community when we hadn't gained their trust on skincare yet. So Hydra Glow came first, then came Cloud Cream, our nourishing ceramide moisturiser, and now Duo Cleanse. They used to use stiff bleach to take off their thick tan. Can you imagine their skin? But the main purpose of the report was to understand people's cleansing. Do they understand double cleansing? Do they know we should do it? 57% of us actually don't even know why it exists or why it does.
I'm just trying the octopus. What is it? Octopus. Oh. It's nice. I like it. It has a smoked flavour.
Every time I think of bruschetta, I think of the time we went to Italy and I had this amazing bruschetta. It had burrata, the olive oil. This was good, but girl, that bruschetta was the best. We had fillet, like, what is it, sea bass and fries. It was amazing. And this cheesecake, I'm still thinking about it.
Okay, we are done with the event. I am so starved. I couldn't eat a lot of the food. They had like this salmon. I wanted to eat so much more, but I always eat too many starters. I'm going home and now, and also tomorrow I have 2 events that I'm going to go to. It's like 2 of my favorite bands, and they're going to be like a full day sort of thing. Let me know in the comment section if you like these event vlogs, because my life is like actually quite boring without them. And I enjoy like watching influencers go, see these brands and whatnot. So yeah, let me go, and I'll probably see you at home, or if not, tomorrow. Morning, my loves. My morning has been so rushy. I just ordered a car to go to this event because the trek is long. And if you think I'm going to do that, 2 buses, 2 train, then the answer is no. So I'm waiting for my car. I don't know why I'm having this type of morning, but it's just not great because I went to get my pair of shoes and I have a Polaroid in my cupboard, right? It fell on my face and it smashed my lip. Oh my god. And it's throbbing. You know when it's like going, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do, look. Oh my god, I need to go fix that actually. Let me do that. But anyway, I will see you at this event because it's gonna be super fun. There's gonna be like bead making and snacks, and then I have another event after it, which is gonna be the elf event. I'm really excited. It's for the new release, There's Setting Mist. I'm excited. Even though I've had a bad morning, I'm gonna make sure that it's a good day.
But I would advise getting your lip charm done first, so then you can move on to the next thing after that. So we'll leave it for you. Sometimes it can be quite nice to have your hanging like charm and then have a dangly charm coming off the end. So we've got charms up on the desk. You can take 1 per item, so 1 for this and then 1 for your next item. But if you want to like have it added on after, just let me know. But if you want it added into the mix, then obviously just put it into your mix whilst you're beading.
Start off by bedazzling the lip gloss. I picked berry pink. My one is looking, it says gloss it, and I've gone for like a bit of purple and black writing and gold beading because I think it goes with this charm, and I'm gonna try to decorate it. Girl, if you don't focus, I'm gonna try decorate it all over, like put the stickers and stuff, and we can add a charm as well, so I might put that in the middle, so it's gonna look like this. I'll come back and show you later. Just made my chain. I mean, not my chain, my bracelet. It has like this crystal looking thing. I love it. You see the vision? Somebody's just fell there. We're gonna grip onto that whale glove. Just having some food. Oh my god, this tastes like mini cheddar. This is good as well. Might have one of these. Look at this.
Especially when you're running, you want a bit of looseness.
So we're at the elf event and it's so cute. They have so many different. This is Zainab, by the way, comment, because I didn't know if you wanted to be in it. I'll put her at, so make sure you follow her. I'll put it here. She does makeup content like me, so she is my plus one. I have Daniel Gade. So let me show you around. I've used the elf with like, oh god, that's embarrassing. The stage of them is about the setting spray. Let's try it out together. It's so fine. It doesn't even feel like you're putting anything on it, but at the same time I can feel the hydration. So they're gonna go for a run, but unfortunately I cannot participate. I didn't know it was going to be a run. I honestly thought it's like a pop-in sort of stuff, but I wish everyone luck and I hope they enjoy.
We will be the hype women.
Yes, over there with them. And we'll be here spraying the spray. I am going home finally. I got my husband to, you know, come and get me because it's so windy. It is insane. I will insert a clip of what the wind was doing to me. And because we were near water, because it's like near Battersea, like the river or whatever, the wind was even winding and the air was damp. Honestly, that elf setting mist is actually so good. It's better than I thought it was, and it's not like something I've tried before, because I thought it might be a dupe of the Milk makeup, but it's actually not. I think is a totally different vibe. Rumor event, they are stepping it up. I love the vibe that Roma are going. It's just more you know, it's relatable nowadays. I think before it was a bit more different, and I love that. I would love to work with them. I am gonna end the vlog here. I will see you guys in the next one, but of course make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.